Hey guys, welcome back to a quick 4-minute video, should I say. Don't mind the fan, it's kind of hot in the office right now, so that's why I have it blowing high. Hopefully you don't hear it as much with this microphone, but if you do, apologize for that. But let's get into it, guys. This is some Boost Mobile news, and finally looks like Boost Mobile has introduced Apple Watches and iPads on Boost Mobile. Of course, they really never offered this at all. It's always been the phones, featured phones, flip phones, smartphones, iPhones, Androids, the whole enchilada, and of course their plans. But this time they're finally bringing over the Apple Watch and the iPad. So let's get into it, guys. As you can see, it says Apple Watch and iPad now available. Shop now. Let's go ahead and take a look. So some of these are really good offers. So let's take a look at first the watch and then the iPad. So this video is not going to be too long, so hopefully you stick with it. So it says $100 off Apple Watch Ultra 2. So it says now available at Boost Mobile. So it looks like they're giving you $100 off the Apple Watch and the new iPad. That's kind of like an introduction or celebration, should I say, for them bringing these two devices, or Apple devices, or to Boost Mobile. It says $100 off any Apple Watch when you select the find special deal 36-month financing. So that's another thing you gotta look, guys. It does, does tell you down there, but in the fine print, that this is not a lump sum $100 off. It looks like it's gonna be spread out for 36 months. Same thing. It says that the iPad is $100 off any iPad when you select special deal 36-month financing. So looks like you do have to finance this for 3 years. But let's get into it, guys. Of course, this is going to be the ones that you can finance. Of course, you can do that through Boost Mobile now. So it says Apple Watch Ultra 2, the Series 10, and the Gen 2. The one that has the $100 looks like it's Ultra 2, but it's a zero down on all three. This one's $19.44 a month. Well, maybe it is. Well, it looks like you get deals on all of them. So. But either way, you can still get the $100 off the Ultra too. But it's $19 a month. It was $22.22 a month, but it looks like you get a discount. The Apple Watch Series 10, that's $13.89 a month. You get for $11.11, and the SE second gen is $8.33, but they brought it down to $5.55. Of course, or you can buy them outright. It's 800, 500, 300. Now, if we go back to the iPads, let's see what iPads they have now. Ooh, so it does look like they give you a variety of selection for iPads, which is nice that a prepaid carrier is bringing Apple Watches and tablets. So you can purchase from them instead. Before you had to, get them unlocked and purchase, through Apple or Best Buy or something like that. But the Apple iPad Pro 13-inch M4 is zero down. They're all zero down, so I'll just tell you that right now. But of course, $41.67, you get it for $38.89. That's $1,500. That's pretty expensive. This one right here is $500 or $13.89. You get it for $11.11. $650, which is the mini, which is a popular one, I would say. It's $18.06. You get $15.28. The iPad Air 11-inch is $850. $20.83, but of course you get a discount of $18.05. And then the iPad Pro 11-inch M4 is $1,200. It was $33.33. You get it for $30.55. And last one, it's iPad Air 13-inch, $950, or was $26.39. You get it for $23.61, guys. So not too bad at all. All these are pretty good deals. So let's just see if we did the 10th gen or the A16. You can see details here. As you can see, starting at $11.11. It looks like this one's the silver, standard glass. You can keep your number, new number. I don't know why you would keep your number. I just do new number because you can't call these numbers for the watch or the tablet. It's just so it connect to the towers and give you service. And there it is. You can get the special deal of $11.11 a month. Of course, it does give you a shipping date of today, or you can buy it outright, no credit check, no contract. So I believe this one they do have to write your credit, make sure you do have enough for financing. But overall, $11.11 a month is not too bad. So let's just say we did that special deal, and it looks like the tablet plan is $20 a month, guys. So it's unlimited data, 30 gigs of premium data. So that's for the tablet. And I believe the watch is 10. So let's go to the watch. Let's do the Ultra 2. Okay, it shows you some of the bands, the size. I would probably get the medium/large. Let's do the financing, add a cart. And yep, $10 a month. That gives you 2 gigabytes of premium data, unlimited talk, text, and data. Bring your own device. Include $15 a month discount with a phone plan. So basically, 20 gigs of premium data on the tablet and 2 gigs of premium data on the watch. But you're not. I mean, 2 gigs is plenty on the watch. You're not going to really use too much on it. So not too bad at all, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Like I said, this was going to be a short video. Please comment, rate, subscribe. If you want to support the channel, check out the description below. I'll soon make, I'll have a channel supporter. I just need to make the video for them. So I am working on that, guys. I just need to fix up the studio a little bit. So I charge up all my equipment. So that video will be out soon. But if you like I said, check out the description below for ways to support the channel. So check it out, guys. Thanks so much and have a good day.